Welcome back, Quesos!
Today we will be tasting different foods blindfolded and guessing what they are.
Vinton and I are going to try all these Gatorades and try to figure out which one's which. Whoever gets more moves on to the face-off.
How many fingers?
I don't know, 2.
Nope.
Okay, pour the first Gatorade. Where is it?
Right there.
This is it.
Yeah, I do. Do you know what it is?
I think that's blue. I think that's blue.
Oh.
I might change it. Okay.
What is it?
It's white or red. I know that. I think it's white.
Cup over here. Other way.
What, where? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I should give the cup back to him. That one's so easy. Yellow.
He's going for the third sip. He's going for the fourth.
This has to be orange. Yep, that's white. Okay, so blue, red, yellow, orange, white.
You got all 5.
You got
Yes!
Oh man.
This guy's good.
Okay guys, so I'm second. And I'm just gonna be trying to guess all 5 Gatorades since Kabir got all 5 of them right. The first one. I guarantee you this is bread, guys. I haven't even had it yet. Wait, I think without my fake teeth.
That's considered.
That commercial break. Remember, this is. Wait, I smelled white. This is white. I'm not even gonna drink it. Actually, I have to though. This is white. That's yellow. I smell it.
Is that your final answer?
Final answer, yellow. It's actually light blue. I was just kidding. This is definitely light blue. Alright, just to make sure, how many fingers am I holding up? Come, look over here. Wait, that I got them both right. Look at it. How many fingers? 4. Well, you got it incorrect. Dang it. Viewer, I'm gonna play rock, paper, scissors with you right now. I'll be rock, you be scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Wait, is it yellow? This is too easy. I don't even have to look. Well, I can't look. What is this? Red? You just gonna switch it with, what's the other one? Orange. Red and orange are left. This is orange. This is orange, no matter what. This is red. This is red. This is orange. Orange is my least favorite. Oh my goodness.
You got all 5, right?
Yeah.
So do we do rock, paper, scissors?
Yes.
Since we both got all 5 right, we're gonna do a best out of 3 rock, paper, scissors to decide who moves on to the face-off.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. He's gonna do paper this time. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Vinton moves on to the finale. So I'm gonna put my goggles on. This round is gonna be Starburst, just like the Gatorade, but this time is Starburst.
Rowan, catch. He caught it. He caught it. Guys, we're giving him his first one.
Wait, what are the different colors?
Red, yellow, orange, and pink.
I haven't had Starburst in so long. That's orange or yellow. I'll decide later.
He's going up for a second one. Oh, we're giving him.
That's pink.
Next, catch. Oh, he caught it!
There's no way. Yellow, pink, orange. I'm gonna get too far on. Yellow, pink, orange, red. Final.
Say that again.
Yellow, pink, orange, red. Did I get any right?
You got one correct.
One correct.
Yes. Let's go. I can still win.
Guys, Rowan got one correct.
Which one?
Pink. Hey Grant, how many fingers am I holding up?
10.
Well, you're wrong.
What? Really? I feel like this is pink. Wait, what are the colors again?
Yellow, red, pink, orange.
I'm going red.
You can change your answer later if you want.
Ooh. This is definitely red. Wait. I'm gonna go with the red for right now. This is yellow. Pink. I'm gonna go with orange, red, yellow, pink.
You got one right.
Let's go! Oh, what one did I get
Okay,
correct?
but one
Yellow.
chance.
I knew you were sure about that. You were like, that's so sour. And you're throwing that away.
Rock, paper, scissors duel, folks.
We tied in
Yep.
Starburst, so we're gonna have to do rock, paper, scissors.
Let's do the 3.
Rock, paper, scissors,
Sensei.
shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Let's go! Woo! Okay, guys, so this is the face-off. We have 5 different cases here. We've got Chubby's Tacos, Moe's, Chipotle, grocery store, fast food. Ooh, man. Let's do this. Alright, guys, I have to go first. Alright, time to go. No!
Okay.
Get on.
You,
Ugh. I'm gonna go with fast food. I'm gonna go with Chubby's. That tastes like salsa. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna go Chipotle. Wait, that was salsa?
No.
Oh.
You said it tastes nice.
It did. I'm gonna go with the grocery store. Oh man, my last one. Moe's.
okay.
Is that your final guesses? Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
you got
you've got-
3 right.
Okay, guys. So I'm last. He got 3 right. So if I just get 4 right, and then, well, if we get 4 right, I might as well get 5 right. Okay, let's start. This is probably Chubby's. I haven't tasted it yet. Fast food. Actually, that's authentic. That's grocery store or fast food. First one's fast food. Chipotle. Chubby's.
Subscribe to Rockies.
Moe's. Ew. That one is fast food. The other one I said was fast food. It's grocery store.
Okay.
Final order.
So I'm okay to tell you got 5 wrong.
Let's go!
Got him! 1 wrong.
The first one was fast food.
Let's go! I won! Oh my god! Let's go! That's another win for me.
You don't have one.
Okay.
Grant just
Well-
got 2 in a row.
Well, that's 2 in a row. This kid doesn't know what he's talking about. I have 2 in a row. And
Awkward ending out.
woo!